Yo, beginner welders, today I'm gonna show y'all 3 different techniques that you could use while MIG welding, and then we're gonna go and do a little bit of welding ourselves. So first, what I wanna show y'all, you have circles. Circles, just like that, man. Easy. Second, you got the whip back and forth. Boom, boom. Easy. And then you have your up and down. Now let's go do some welding ourselves. And number 1, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all the circle technique. Number 2, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how to do the whip back and forth, whip and pause, back and forth. Number 3, I'm gonna show y'all how to go up and down, man, like a W, up and down, up and down, up and down.